Amapiano to the world. Daylight coming here, bona. Keep pushing, don't stop. I remember cold nights, no food on the table. Dreams feeling distant, life wasn't stable. Many people laughed, said I wasn't able, but I kept on moving. Now the blessings are visible. Every scar got a story, every pain got a lesson. Every fall made me stronger, every prayer a confession. Walking through the darkness, searching for direction. Now I'm seeing daylight, God's perfect reflection. When the rain keeps falling down and the world turns upside down, don't give up, hold your ground. Your time is coming around. Daylight, daylight. After the dark comes daylight. Keep fighting, keep trying. Your future is shining so bright. Daylight, daylight. The struggle won't last all night. Keep pushing, keep moving. One day you'll reach the light. One day you'll reach the light. La 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 la. Takaramba ndichifamba kunyange nzira yakaoma. Ndakawira pasi asi moyo wangu wakaramba wakasimba. Vanhu vakataura zvakaipa asi handina kumira. Nhasi ndavakona chete, hope dzangu dzava kusvika. Nguva dzakaoma dzinofura semhepo. Usachemesha Mwari, ramba wakatarisa mberi chete. Mwari vanofura mikova kana wasvika panzvimbo. Daylight iri kuya, ramba wakamira zvakanaka. When the rain keeps falling down and the world turns upside down, don't give up, hold your ground. Your time is coming around. Daylight. After the dark comes daylight. Keep fighting, keep trying. Your future is shining so bright. Daylight. The struggle won't last all night. Keep pushing, keep moving. One day you'll reach the light. One day you'll reach the light. Ngihambile kumnyameni, ngifuna ukukhanya kwami. Ngikhalile kodwa ngasinda, manje ngibona daylight. Ngiyazi kuzolunga, ungapheli amandla. Qhubeka upushe phambili, impumelelo